This video will demonstrate the use of special tools, diesel fuel pressure gauge, fuel pressure gauge hose, and fuel pressure gauge adapter. These tools are used in combination to inspect the fuel pressure in low pressure fuel circuit of diesel vehicles. Using diesel fuel pressure gauge hose, and fuel pressure gauge adapter. To avoid spillage of diesel during inspection of fuel pressure in low pressure fuel circuit, release the fuel pressure in the line by deactivating the fuel pump with the help of SDT. Remove the battery to gain access to the fuel filter. Disconnect the fuel inlet hose from the fuel filter. Connect one end of the special tools to the fuel filter and the other end to the disconnected fuel inlet hose. Install the battery to the vehicle. Switch the ignition on for 20 seconds and note the fuel pressure reading displayed on the fuel pressure gauge. The pressure should be within specified range for the vehicle given in the service manual. If the pressure does not fall within the specified range, refer to the service manual for further diagnosis. Advantage and benefit. These tools help in easy and quick diagnosis of low-pressure fuel circuit. It reduces the time needed to complete the job.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.